make a nighttime snack with me. First, you're gonna wanna wash your apple. Now you're gonna wanna cut it. Okay, chop it into small pieces. Okay. Now that you have them all cut up, make sure you got cinnamon. Pour a little bit of cinnamon on. It should look something like this. Okay, taste test. 10 out of 10, would recommend.